Waking up several times during the day leaves you tired and sleepy the next morning. Not getting enough and good quality sleep can affect focus and concentration. Establishing a sleep routine and hitting the bed early can help sleep well. But at times there are hidden reasons behind your broken sleep that you may not realize at first. If you are having trouble sleeping of late, it could be more than just stress and anxiety. There may be other reasons behind your sleepless nights that you are not aware of. Broken sleep can also be due to insomnia or sleep deprivation, which means you are having trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. How broken sleep affects the body. Sleep is intricately related to many physical and mental functions. Insomnia can lead to a range of health issues like obesity, high blood pressure, and heart disease, which is why sleep is an important part of your daily routine. It helps lower the risk of serious health problems, sharpens memory, and gives you an energetic start to the day. Here are the 5 hidden reasons behind your broken sleep. Suffering from chronic pain is common in diseases like arthritis, cancer, and Lyme disease. Chronic neck pain or back pain, whether continuous or intermittent, could make you restless and impact sleep. People who suffer from chronic pain don't get enough sleep and often experience broken sleep. Anxiety and depression have a significant impact on your sleep. Any stressful event or experience may lead to broken sleep. Stress and sleep are closely linked. If you are under a lot of stress and pressure, you might have light sleep or no sleep at all. Sleep apnea is a disorder where you stop breathing while sleeping. It is a serious sleep disorder that causes repeated interruptions in breathing. It is more common in men. Symptoms include loud snoring and feeling restless even after sleeping. Alcohol may help you fall asleep initially, but it is not beneficial for your physical and mental health. After consuming alcohol, you may wake up repeatedly to urinate, which disrupts your sleep and causes breathlessness. It also disturbs REM sleep, which is crucial for restorative sleep. Caffeine, tea, coffee, or any energy beverage consumed within 2 hours of bedtime may affect the quality of your sleep. Caffeine keeps you awake or delays falling asleep at your usual time. It boosts energy and disrupts your sleep cycle if consumed before going to bed. Here are some helpful tips to sleep better at night. Yoga. If you are having trouble sleeping or falling asleep, try focusing on your breathing. Shavasana can also help your body relax and aid in restful sleep. Deep breathing can reduce anxiety levels and slows your heart rate, which can help in sleeping. Make a to-do list if pending work makes you anxious at night and interrupts your slumber. Better plan ahead than be sorry. Making a to-do list before going to bed helps you sleep better. It reduces unnecessary stress and helps you fall asleep faster. Read a book. Remember, as a student, even flipping through pages of a book made you sleepy. Trying this trick to sleep could be beneficial. Rather than spending time scrolling through reels, read a book. It may help you fall asleep faster than using your phone.